Listen up, let's keep it nice and clean, please. Marshals, be alert, please. Right, so away they go. Reasonably clean at the moment. That looks like Rubin chucking up on the inside. But Tom in the lead as he goes round the step corner, followed by the yellow car of Stuart Rand. As I said, I believe that is Rubin. Running the Wheelers colours at the moment. Johnson chasing him down. Smith up into fifth. Let's keep it clean. White car and the one in front. Keep it nice and tidy. But coming down straight are your race leaders. Rand having a sniff on the inside. Doesn't make it up and down the wall of death. There's dead car and straight. Dead car and straight. Clear, well done. That is dead completely. So back to the leaders. There goes Tom over the step corner. And then onto the slippery and down straight. Quickly followed by Rand. So up and down over the tabletop. Rubin in third now. Smith in fourth.
1 minute into the race. First place, car 1. Second place, car 2. Third place, car 5. Fourth place, car 8. And in
pulling away
place,
at the moment from the Rand.
Fastest lap, car 2.
0.7 seconds away as they go over the double in the back area. Round the step corner again and then onto the slippery for the straight. Still, Tom Bate, then Rand, then Rubin, then Smith, then Gray, then Shed, then Still, then Tapsell. Whoa, whoa. Car on the straight.
Change of leader to car 2.
So Tom getting caught out. Marshall's trying to get to a car. So to put the Rand in the lead. So he's Stuart Rand from Rubin, from Smith, from Gray,
First
from
place,
Shed.
car 2. Second place, car 5. Third place, car 8. Fourth place, car 10. And in fifth place, car 4.
So Rand has a 5.18 second lead. So the 40-year-old up on his roof.
Car 7 about to be lapped. Car 4 about to be lapped. Car 7 about to be lapped.
So 3 minutes down, your race order is?
First place, car 2. Second place, car 8. Third place, car 5. Fourth place, car 10. And in fifth place, car 4. Car 7 about to be lapped. Fastest lap, car 2. Car 10 about to be lapped. Fastest lap, car 2. Car 7 about to be lapped. 4 minutes into the race. First place, car 2. Second place, car 8. Third place, car 10. Fourth place, car 5. And in fifth place, car 4. Fastest lap, car 2.
So Rand is followed by Smith into second place. Then Gray, then Rubin, then Shed, then Tapsell, and then Mr. Steele.
Car 8 about to be lapped.
So we've got 30 seconds to go. So Rand has a massive lead, but Smith and Gray, there's only 3.24 seconds between them two.
Car 7 about to be lapped. 10's finished. 5's finished. 4's finished.
So Rand coming around to take the win.
9's finished. 2's finished. 8's finished. 7's finished.
Thank you, drivers. Thank you, marshals.
Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders return them please, and then all the drivers out to marshal, thank you. The result for this final is first place car 2, second place
Chris Smith,
third place
John Gray,
fourth place
Matthew Rubin,
fifth place
David Shedd,
sixth place
The Monk,
seventh place
Alex Steele,
eighth place
Tom Batts,
ninth place,
Will Johnson,
and in 10th place
Richard Gasson,